Welcome back to Hobbytinker. Everybody has hobbies. So, we got a couple things we got to that we got to do to the Audi. Came back from a rental with a lot of extra jargon messed up. So, we're going to get to tinkering because that's what we do here. We tinker. So, we're going to fix a couple little things like the windshield chip and the mud guard at the bottom is hanging off. Stay tuned. Yeah. So, that, see, it really may help. That is the culprit. We're gonna fix that. We've had this for a while now. Hopefully it doesn't expire. Knock that out. And then under here, you see that? That's the other culprit. So let's open this kit. Got this from like O'Reilly's or Outer Zones, one of those. What we got here? Alright, step one. Only use bullseyes. Star, damage, or chips up to. Alright. So, clean out any loose glass particles from pit. And line up hole and seal with pit. Upward. Okay. Cool. We just follow in the directions, you feel me? Okay. Alright, we gotta let this sit for 10 minutes. Alright, let's take this syringe out. Go to the next notch. It's trying. I guess I gotta wait 20 minutes now. Dang. What time is it? 2:54. Okay, let's take this joint off. It's been about 20 minutes, give or take. Let's take this out. Okay. I could do a lot, but we'll just call it for now. Dang. So, as you can see, your boy didn't really go crazy. It's better. We just have to rock and roll like this for a minute. So, we did it. Neat work. First time, I wasn't patient. I probably did, instead of 10 minutes, 8 minutes, instead of 20, 16 minutes. I didn't put all the resin in the beginning. which is probably why it didn't spread out, thorough enough to get all of the cracks, but it is a little better. Like, it was drastic. So moral of the story, take your time, follow the directions better, but it's not too hard. Anybody can do that, for real. Now I need to tackle the undercarriage of the car. Don't want to do that today. Nah, let's make it a quick video tomorrow. Yeah. Have a good day. I believe in you like me. That's the hook.